we need to translate this triangle ABC, x plus 3, y minus 5. Well, x, that's what goes left, right. So looking at x, our x values that we have for a, b, and c, we're going to be adding 3 to them. Adding 3, that's going to the right. So this means we're going to move 3 units to the right. Y minus 5, y is going up and down. If we're subtracting 5, we're going down 5. So we're going to, this tells us that you need to move 5 units down. A is at the point 2 over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So we could either just say, okay, we're going to move over 3, over 1, 2, 3, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to say this point here is going to be A prime. We could also, though, say instead of drawing our arrows, let's work with B. B is at -4 and up to 7. So we could say, okay, B is the point -4, 7. We're going to add 3 to the x and subtract 5 from the y. That means our B prime is going to be -4 plus 3 is a -1. 7 minus 5 is 2. So -1 up 2. It's B prime should go there. And if we check, if we go over 1, 2, 3, and we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it works. Finally, we have our C point. This looks to be at -4, comma, up 1, 2, 3. So C is -4, 3. On the x, we're going to be adding 3. On the y, we're going to be subtracting 5. So our C prime point is going to be -4 plus 3 is -1. 3 take away 5 is -2. -1, -2. That should be our C prime point, and we can check. We're going to go over to the right 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it does match up. So now we're able, to draw our triangle as best we can in the new position. This is the image. We had our pre-image, and now we have our image. Now you need to remember congruent. We are working with translation, so our images, our shapes should be congruent, which means they need to be the same size, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces between B and C, 1, 2, 3, 4 between B prime and C prime. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, units between A and C. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units between A prime and C prime. So we do have the same size, and we also need to have the same shape, which means, well, that is a triangle, that is a triangle. So it does look like our translated image, our translated shape is congruent, which means we have translated correctly.